you don't have to. Now, you don't need any programming experience, but one thing you do need is that I ask you to have Flutter installed on your computer and you know how to open up a new Flutter project. If you can do that, then I'll take care of the rest. So we're going to start from the very beginning with the basics of programming fundamentals. And then everything in Flutter is a widget, so I'll teach you the essential widgets every developer needs to know. Then we're going to look at navigation and how to navigate around to different screens. Then we're going to look at the difference between stateless and stateful widgets. And then a really important concept is user input. And then I'll show you how to put this all together and create a functional to-do app. And I'll also show you how you can save the data in the phone's local storage. And then we're going to finish off with an e-commerce type app that has a very beautiful UI and the necessary functionality like adding items to the cart and things like that. So that's the plan and structure for this course. Now, some general tips before we start. The first thing is, remember, you have the entire internet at your fingertips. So if you come across something you don't understand, the act of formulating the question and searching for the answer is how we learn. And the second thing is, what's more important than taking this course is for you to actually just sit down in front of a computer and code. There are many little nuances that are difficult to learn just by reading or just by watching someone else do it. So make sure that you put in some time and some hours into learning this. Cool, so that's all the housekeeping stuff out of the way. I'm ready if you are, so let's start from the very beginning. So I've opened up a brand new Flutter project and you should just get this demo counter app. Now I'm just going to delete everything below the main function so I can teach you how to do this from scratch. So with any code base, everything always starts off from this main function and you can see we're just running our app. So let's just create our app real quick. Now in Flutter, there's two types of widgets we can create, a stateless widget and a stateful widget. I'm going to just go with a stateless widget for now. I'll explain more about the difference between the two later on. So the first thing you always need to do is just to return a material app. And this will just be the basis for everything. So if you save this, it'll just be a dark screen because it's got nothing in it. And in the home, we're going to just specify a scaffold. So this will